Welcome back, from Peacebrothers Industry. Let me introduce our new product from Peacebrothers. This is semi-automatic packing machine, PBSAPM50. PBSAPM50 can work auto weighing, auto sewing, auto thread cutting and carry, and then this is compact design. Our conveyor can adjustable conveyor height. Panel box is combined to the packing machine. HDMI screen can be moved up to down and then can be folded and stored in the body, so we machine is compact. Doors of packing machine at front, back and two side for maintained area. There is also an air aspiration system to clean the dirt contained in the crops. It is simple, easy to install and use, weighing scale accurate, strong and modern. PBSAPM50, work doing auto weighing, auto sewing and auto thread cutting. The parts in touch with the raw materials are made of stainless steel 304 and have a longer using life. When the first cylinder is opened, the raw material in the hopper enters the weigher. This weigher can work from 5 to 50 kilograms, based on cron. PBSAPM50 can be weigh rice, beans, corn and other grains, and then pack 300 to 450 kilograms, based on corn, bags per hour. Our customer interested in this new products, you can contact our NCY International Company Limited.